हाँ ठीक है
Spray
बस अब छोड़ दे उसे बहन नहीं नहीं करना है रिफ्लेक्स So the first time I remember meeting Kenny was I have woken up at 11:30 with my cup of chai and I have gone out of the room and Kenny is sitting shirtless doing yoga and I'm like who the fuck is this?
पर आधा घंटा वेट नहीं करता तू जैम के लिए?
मतलब करना चाहिए but I went to Blinkit.
What has happened to this generation? These are two bubble making machines which I'm very obsessed with.
What do you mean obsessed? But like you play them?
Yeah,
play with them at home?
Of course.
Not for the bait, but just like casually.
Well, yeah.
What has happened to this generation?
Yes, man. There you go. You get a red pen. That's right.
At the back. Hey, I would steal from my dad also.
Does he watch this show?
He's dead.
So today, because this is the only opportunity I'll get to let
Yes to the podcast.
I had no idea you guys are doing a podcast. I was googling what is Splendor Blender and like it's Spender Bender.
More. Okay, give it up for Gursimran Khamba and Abhish Mathew. Welcome, guys. Welcome.
Hi.
Welcome to the podcast.
Thank you for
How are you
having
guys
us.
doing? Yes, of course.
Thank you. It's nice to meet you after so long.
Yes.
How long has it been since you guys have?
When did we meet last? We didn't meet when we had to go to the cops for latent. No, because we were both supposed to go. Then I didn't meet Abhish there.
I met you at an airport. You guys were going for a break, so it was nice to catch up when you
Yeah.
were.
But like properly after what, 10 years?
Yeah, easily.
10 years?
Yeah, because we used to be flatmates.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Some people don't know. We lived together for 2 years.
Yeah.
How?
Great. I made chai every day in the morning, okay?
He's the nicest flatmate anyone can have.
Oh,
The
he is the
only person
nicest.
who has taken care of me that much is my wife. So he is a sweetheart. Because I had a fucking habit of waking up at like 11:30, which still holds, sadly. Yes, I still wake up 11:30.
That's early for me.
He used to be, you young people, I tell you. He used to be like fully like fitness focused.
What? Oh.
And he used to wake up early. And so 7:30 in the morning, I'd be asleep and he'd put like this nice cup of chai just next to my face. And I'd wake up with that. So he's like really considerate that.
Oh, man.
I also gave you a kiss on your cheekbone.
I don't remember that one, but okay then.
That's because you woke up at 11:30. This was happening.
He was probably just checking if you're alive.
Also true. No, I've told this story before, but like the funny part used to be he used to have a lot of friends come over home. So the first time I remember meeting Kenny was I have woken up at 11:30 with my cup of chai, which is now cold and he didn't reheat it. Usually he was considerate. And I have gone out of the room and Kenny is sitting shirtless doing yoga. And I'm like, who the fuck is this? Why are suddenly two Christians in the army? Fucking-
Abhish, was this a yoga hang?
No, I used to kiss him, then kiss him.
Why is everyone working out in that house? Was everyone?
I don't know. Our living room was. I don't think we've ever used our living room other than to dry clothes.
Dry clothes, yeah.
And also, Kamba had like a PlayStation. You had a
Yeah.
PlayStation, and I like playing PlayStation.
Which PlayStation was?
But we never played PlayStation.
Correct.
You called.
You didn't kiss me hard enough for me to allow you to play that PlayStation. So that was the problem.
Oh man, but okay. I want to ask this one thing. How are you with money, Abhish, in general?
How am I with money?
Yeah.
What a loaded question.
What is the relationship with money if you want to go deeper?
Yeah, but-
Yeah, this is like Nikhil Kamath podcast, but like less.
Yeah.
What do you mean less?
Like you don't ask me about my index fund or mutual fund. Like paisa kaisa relation kya hai tumhara?
So for someone new watching right now who wants to get into wasting money,
How could they?
How could
Also,
they?
what is an index fund? I'm just finding out about that right now.
I don't know. I've heard it somewhere, and I was like, it might sound smart here in comparison.
but how are you with money in general?
I think my relationship with money is quite chill. in a way that
It's casual.
we are in a casual relationship.
Okay, cool.
Open relationship.
No labels.
Yeah, when money comes, it comes. As soon as it comes, take it out of my savings account. That's my one policy. And second policy
Where do you
is
send it?
send it like, investment. Oh, like where do I send it? I don't offshore it to Switzerland.
This guy has a lot, and she also has a lot.
Yeah, I mean, I have this one policy where if my savings account has just the right amount of money to pay next month, so like rent and
Right.
expenses, rest should go into investment. Then why keep it in
There's a
savings?
rest on top of the next month expenses. Hey, I haven't seen that in a while.
And he gets for doing nothing, and he still does. But
What?
okay,
That-
okay.
I think I completely missed out on this because Oshang used to work with me for much lesser, still doing nothing.
Great story. Like when I started working with Avish, we were negotiating my salary, and he offered me more because I was asking too little. He sat down with me like, "How much is your rent? How much do you pay your coke? How much is your this?" And like this, and he was like, "What you're asking is half of that." How much?
How was he? I don't take though. I was just like, I think it's that you pick up a project in relationships, right? So when he gave me his game plan, I'm like, ये एक महीना बॉम्बे रह सकता है इस salary में.
But other than investing,
Yeah.
What do you spend on?
What do you
The
spend?
second relationship point with the money is
Hey,
that
I think relationship is not important. just like what do you spend
प्रिपेयर
on?
करके आया है। वो एकदम तैयार हो गया तैयार हो गया नहीं
He
तो बता
did, he did call yesterday.
I did.
Yeah.
I see they called and they were like,
different when you asked for a call and Khamba was like, "कुछ लाना है क्या?"
Abhish yesterday called and he was like, let's go through exactly what we're going to do tomorrow.
I have to give you this caveat, okay? What a great pairing. One guy who believes in max effort, low payoff. And the other guy who, by the way, one of my favorite stories is we were performing in Gurgaon together. My mom had come for the show. It was you, I, Sahil Shah performing, right? So I think you were closing. And Sahil was first. I was going second. So she laughed at mine. She laughed at Sahil. But the way she was laughing at Kambas, she was cracking. I've never seen her crack up like that. And my mom is very like, don't use abusers and stuff. And he unleashed himself, the comic book set, okay? And while I was driving back, I'm like, why were you laughing? He was abusing. He's like, he's not my son. So, yeah.
Exactly. So I think that relationship. No, how is that connected to your? Why are you
Sorry.
suddenly bitching Auntie out? Auntie has done nothing to you. Fucking question it. If you want to get over some stuff, if you want to discuss with the audience,
I
any
think-
parental issues, we're happy to consult.
Yeah, maybe now this is the point.
Yeah,
Met after properly met after so many years, I think it's coming out all of the.
Yeah, he was holding it for so long. Can't do it at the airport, leaving on a vacation. Have to find a live podcast to bring it up.
But
The relationship with money is...
no, it's done. Relationship is done. I wanted to ask, what do you spend on?
What do you spend on a beach?
See, my relationship with my money in spending.
Clearly not on Auntie.
Whose?
Oh my god. Okay.
I mean, not you. I've just met.
yeah.
No. Anyway, but the quick answer. I'm trying to fucking get you.
Yes,
the answer. Is that the one example I can give you is when on my birthday I wanted to buy something, so I gifted myself some 50,000 rupees, which not like I put it in my account.
But
I'm
you
like,
already have it.
no. Like when I earn 50,000 will go to you for birthday present.
Ooh.
So then after 3 years, I bought something out of it. So it's the relation I have is hata do warna main gava dunga.
Okay, you put it aside where?
Yeah, you were just at 50.
Investment, guys.
Real investment. How is
Where is present? I'm 38 years old.
Okay, fine.
Okay, and married. If I don't have my financial shit sorted,
Okay, Abhi,
I would be the project for her.
Yeah, I'll change the question. When you were 28,
Now ask me.
yeah, what were you wasting
Yeah.
money on?
Uh,
This is the whole episode where we're like,
Yeah.
I'm just trying to change the question.
There is
I bought a camera. At 28, I bought a camera, and then I used one camera to shoot one of the angles for whatever, like Son of a Beach or other things.
How much that is still investment
40,000
in your
bucks.
career.
And then when I put it up, I calculated if my monetization has paid for it. And congratulations,
you're too
in
good
the
at
year
this.
2030, I would have made enough money that would have paid off that camera.
You guys need to ask him more provocative questions. कुछ मसालेदार तो
Yeah.
Man, चोरी वोरी करके कुछ करा है कभी पैसों के साथ?
नहीं, मैंने नहीं किया.
You've
चोरी.
not stolen when you were a kid.
Yeah, my parents are nice. They gave me money if I
My parents
asked.
were nice. I stole Lay's every day.
What? Every day?
That's not Lay's Cheetos for the Tazos.
From who did Uncle Chips में आते थे first of all?
Steal. नहीं, Cheetos maybe.
किराने का दुकान था.
हाँ.
Oh,
You
nice.
stole from.
I think I've said this before. There was a shop near. Wait, don't. It's not normal.
No. You stole from the poor. Nice.
Poor थोड़ी यार.
देखो,
कैसा कि
There was a shop near my
D-Mart
house.
था क्या?
नहीं नहीं. It might be, but there was a shop near my house which was called Pick and Carry. Okay.
That's like you take it literally, no, brother.
Yeah, this is the best part, by the way. We used to just go there and just pick up stuff basically and come out. We were kids, by the way. Just saying, I haven't done this as an adult, but I did this. No. Later, that shop changed its name to Cash and Carry. I'm not kidding. They changed their name to Cash and Carry, and we were like, now we can't steal, do it now.
Second reel मिल गया भाई लोग.
Real.
Second reel.
But this is true, by the way. We did.
Right.
I can't believe I wouldn't have brought this up if I knew no one else was stealing.
Nobody's fucking
Have you
stealing.
stolen? Like, is that no, right?
From shops.
No, why are you saying it like it's like a normal thing?
It is
to do?
not. I didn't have that
Have you
much money.
stolen?
I haven't stolen, so I had a shop near my house as well. But my dad had an account there, so I didn't realize that it's not free.
Oh, that's
Yeah, so I would just go and I'd also buy a lot of chips and Uncle Lay's and for Tazos. I would
would
just
have
take the
come.
Tazo out, throw the Uncle Chips and leave. And they wouldn't ask me, they wouldn't stop me because they were adding it. And like months later, I found out because my dad was like, "Why are we paying 10,000 on Uncle Chips?"
I would have come there and stolen from that shop also, dude. I just need a shop.
I just remembered one stealing incident of mine.
shit.
I just remembered.
Thank you
But
so
it was my but it was my money only. So my mom used to basically in her Almirah, she used to keep one what's that fucking piggy bank where you used to keep coins. So her idea was to teach me savings. But at that particular point in time, this was in Ludhiana, and there was a local gaming parlor that had opened up.
Oh, Tekken and all. Yeah.
Tekken and Street Fighter. So, and I was like, what the fuck is
Yeah.
this? Like, there are so many coins in my fucking Almirah. Why am I not playing?
Yeah, that's like 10 hours.
So I stole my own savings, which were supposed to, the hundreds of rupees were supposed to fucking help me.
How much was it for 1 hour of
I think
No,
one
it was
coin
not-
was 1 rupee.
One coin was like $2 or something.
$2 or
like that
something.
at that time. So I think around 50-60 bucks of mine I remember I stole. Then I got into a lot of shit from my family.
But it was your money.
Yeah, no, but the point is that
you
you have still
Yeah.
opened the Almirah,
Yeah.
taken the money out.
Yeah.
So the act of, it was still assets.
You haven't stolen apart from that?
No.
Have you guys not stolen from your family and all?
Okay, now someone's worse than me. No.
What?
Just,
Family, I'll tell you what I
just
used to
from
do.
Green Collection and Cash and
Yeah.
Carry. I'm just saying the names
Are
of
we
the
part
shops,
of
dude.
conviction? Convicting to
I'll tell you what. So the chips तो
क्या
फिर भी
गरीब विजय माल्या दोनों तुम बेंच कुछ क्या
chips
अच्छी
फिर
story
भी
लाओ।
कम है. दूसरा तो Pokemon cards और वो सब.
हाँ,
तो
वो
I
तो
wanted
voucher
to
है.
collect it and I didn't have money.
Oh.
I mean that's still not good
Yeah,
enough to
that's
steal.
how
but
criminals are
yeah.
born actually.
Yeah, but that's it. मुझे Pokemon cards चाहिए थे और Duel Masters भी आए थे तो Duel Master के भी cards चाहिए थे. तो फिर मैं कैसे लूँ सब cards?
What object would you want
Yeah.
that would justify stealing? I'm trying to see what will make somebody go, okay, ठीक है, कुछ नहीं
Pokemon
होता.
cards.
Pokemon cards is not fucking helping.
Pokemon
cards are not it. Is there something?
Yeah, what would you?
What would I
Thinking.
steal?
Yeah.
I would.
Man, the ethics committee in my head has to approve.
Okay.
would steal-
So okay. If you steal something, okay, you can sell it and invest that money. Then,
I'm not greedy. I'm just saying I just don't want it in my savings. Otherwise, I'll spend it.
Okay, like a hypothetical question. If you could steal from Ambani's, right? Would you feel bad?
No.
Probably not, right? See, इस पे camera angle लोगों ने. ठीक है? If you steal from Malia, would you feel bad? No. So I think the trick is to steal from assholes.
yeah. So Pick and Carry was doing very good by the shop. It's a supermarket. It's not a tiny shop.
I've stolen from D-Mart.
Oh.
Yeah, like corporation I'm okay stealing with.
Oh, my friend used to
Fair.
steal from D-Mart, and the D-Mart that he used to steal from, वो लोग का first floor का बाहर का area थोड़ा था, and that was connected to his society, like directly connected. So they used to just throw football from the terrace to the society and play football with stolen footballs.
Man, what is where?
I
what,
grew
what
up
is this?
around too many people who stole. It's normal.
हमारे गैंग का क्या नाम था? मतलब कोई तो है ये.
चोरी चोरी चुपके चुपके.
हम लोग डीमार्ट जाते थे because it was me and two of my flatmates. This was like first year of college. हम लोग डीमार्ट जाते थे. फिर चेकआउट काउंटर के बाद वहाँ पे स्पेस था. Like you do the checkout और आगे निकल के there's still empty space. So I would be getting the bill done and two of my other flatmates would just be walking around picking things up and keep putting it in the carton because we're buying monthly groceries. So then we would reach home and half of our amount was paid for and half was just things we picked up.
And your dad still had to pay for everything.
My dad was just Jaipur. No, this is when I was
this
doing
is here.
yeah, in college.
Oh, so your irresponsibility
Carried
continued.
on. Yeah. I would steal from my dad also.
Okay.
That was fun.
You guys want to talk about this?
Yeah, I-
therapist.
Yeah, I
I'm feeling really awkward.
I didn't steal from my parents.
I did. I would do it every now and then because but not a lot.
Nice.
Not a lot. Not a lot.
Okay, maybe I might have then stolen one thing. I feel.
Yeah, see now it's coming on.
I feel.
You just have to get them comfortable into accepting.
Yeah, no. Now I'm brain.
इसको याद आ गया इसने कन्फेशन कर दिया था तो उसके दिमाग में वो निकल चुका है बता ना
I once stole my father's signature to put into the back of the diary because I flunked math. I just didn't want him to know.
Hey, I see.
सारे इतने लो एफर्ट
Yeah.
चोर है यार बहन
I thought you meant bank में
Yeah,
signature.
like,
I stole girls' hearts, bro. What do you want me to see? I don't have a criminal history.
That's good though.
Come on, please tell me you've done some fucked up shit that matches.
Stealing?
Yeah.
Something.
नहीं
Never.
मेरी गांड पड़ती है यार पागल है
पापा
मेरे से
के वॉलेट में से 500
नहीं मतलब
नहीं, वो सब मेरी भी फटती थी. That's why I never stole from my parents.
in cash, right? So he would have a lot of cash. और मुझे पता है कि वो अपनी jeans हर second day repeat करते थे, ठीक है? So he would keep it in his washroom and every night, like I timed it कि मुझे पता है आज bathroom में jeans रहेगी उसके अंदर wallet भी है. So I would time it. I would go to his room and like, oh good night dad, yeah, oh, and then I'll just quickly use the washroom and go and then I go and take 500 out and leave. And once I move,
Where?
I go to my room.
अच्छा.
Yeah, but next day, dude.
अच्छा, okay.
Yeah.
Does he watch this show?
He's dead.
That's a real right there.
I mean, if the trauma you have given him has not fucking pushed him over the edge.
One thing I'm upset about, he never found out, so that's good.
Is he looking at us from above or below?
Now he probably just. But by the way, I had transferred this skill to my sister when I was leaving. Like, if you're ever out of money, you know what to have to do. Just go say good night to him every alternate days.
Oh my God.
Now that's a real right.
Full real. I did not. Okay, come on. How are you?
How are you, buddy, dude? Also, how's your dad?
My dad's good.
Don't steal.
But how are you with money in general?
No, I'm really bad with money. The broker I get, the more I spend. I feel like I have that day when if you have like, let me put it this way. So when you're in a creative profession,
Yeah.
okay, as you guys will all vouch for this, money goes up and down. You suddenly
yeah.
get a lot,
Yeah.
and then you don't get a bunch for
Yeah.
a lot of months, and then suddenly you get a lot. So that's usually how the cycle happens. So by the end of that cycle, when there's very little less left, and you don't know which is your next paycheck going to be, then you're like, then I get really anxious. What is this? ये बेंच 39 का हो गया हूँ मैं बेंच कोई तरीका है जीने का है पैसे नहीं आ रहे मैं भीख मांग रहा हूँ 3 महीने से इनवॉइस नहीं क्लियर हुआ है लड़का निकल चुका है 3 महीने से पैसे नहीं आ रहे अकाउंट के अंदर राइट सो व्हेन यू आर इन दैट जोन एंड योर account is just about to hit minimum that's when you're because you feel shitty you want to get some dopamine hit
Yes.
so that's when you purchase the most dumb fuck
Same
bullshit things
stuff, yep.
exactly so that is mostly my relationship with money it is very abused because every time I'm about to go broke I push myself over the edge
That is exactly how
How
if I
it
see
function,
it's
yeah.
getting low and it's low enough, I'm like,
Let's just start fresh.
खत्म नहीं हो गया है तो हाँ
खत्म ही कर देता है ही क्यों भाई 10,000
I've circumvented the issue by marrying someone who has a job. So that way my bare basics are taken care of. I'm a full co-tailor of a salaried person.
Okay, Abhish, when you were 28,
Yeah.
When I was married then,
oh no, okay. When you were 25.
What is the relationship with money pre and post Hashtag? Is the question to ask Abhish.
Yes.
I don't know if he wants to go there.
I don't know if you want to go there.
Yeah, no. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, there's no alimony. Bach gaya very good.
Okay, good.
Cells unite in the comment section.
But this is one of those months for me where it's getting low, and so I was just like खत्म ही कर देते हैं.
पैसे कम है, एक खार कॉमेडी क्लब हायर कर लेते हैं
Let's go.
और एक पॉडकास्ट डाल देते हैं और खर्चा कर देते हैं।
वही किया एग्जैक्टली वही किया है हमने।
And इसके ऊपर से I have this new obsession now. I don't know. I mean, this is not a brand integration. I just actually like that brand now. It's on Swiggy Instamart called Noise. It's this brand called Noise.
You haven't seen it?
Has anyone of you
Is it
seen
a
that?
watch?
Ruined my life. It's a
No, not headphones. It's yeah, they say it's clean, but they're basically the marketing is good
It's
and the
worked.
packaging is good.
And also
What
marketing-
is it?
So
What is
they have bread. They have 1 second. Yeah, it's my obsession.
Sorry. I'm also obsessed. We've spoken about this.
तू अपने में बात कर.
जी, sorry यार, sorry.
I'm kidding.
तू एक टेंशन क्यों ले रहा है? तू चुरा लेना ब्रेड से। चल आ जाएगा, घबरा मत। हाँ, फिर बता ना। फिर Noise.
They have everything basically. They have paneer, bread, jam,
Chutneys.
chutney. They went so wide. I don't even know what I want from there. I just search Noise and I'm like, इनमें से
क्या
कुछ
है
ले
इनके
लेता
पास
हूँ.
आज?
And their packaging is good. Oh, then I just get Noise bread now. I don't need to. Noise का bread नहीं है तो I'm not getting other bread.
Dude, yes.
I don't know what has happened. This doesn't make any
Yeah,
sense.
the other day I wanted to get paneer made at home and I searched Noise paneer and it was out of stock. Like, I guess I'm not eating paneer tonight. And there were other paneer available which I could have gotten, but I only want Noise now.
what is it? What
It has nothing. It's
The thing is, they claim that they make in small batches, so
Correct.
it gives you the illusion that, oh, I'm eating healthy, I'm eating fresh. But then he told me it's available in Kochi
Yeah.
also. I'm like, dude, I thought I was in an exclusive club somewhere.
Yeah, dude, I went
but
to
now
Kochi.
it's everywhere.
I went to Kochi. I was like, यहाँ भी small batch में बना रहे हो यार। जहाँ जाओ वहाँ small batch में बनाते हो, फिर तो large batch हो गया ना यार। Small batch थोड़ी है।
Small is large.
Yeah.
हाँ, कोची में मिल रहा था तो तुझे। No offense to Kochi people.
No, I was surprised.
He's
I
the
agree.
representative
I
of
love
Kochi.
Malayalam films. Loka was amazing. हाँ, back to no.
They have this nice jam called called क्या? It's pineapple and apple jam,
Yeah.
and it has pineapple chunks, but it's literally so small. इतना सा एक bottle
Small batch,
आता है. That's true. That's true. इतना सा वो 120, and it's ruined my life, dude.
That's what you spend money on mostly.
Recently,
Dude,
that
Noise.
I've been getting Noise bread, whole truth, peanut butter, crunchy, Noise jam, and then I just keep eating that. Like I'm an American, dude. What am I doing?
यही हमारी प्रॉब्लम यही है, हमारी प्रॉब्लम यही है कि हमारे पास पैसे होते नहीं है, शौक हमारे बेंचेस से यूएस
हाँ.
है ना। मैं तो बताऊं मेरी करंट obsession, there is a bakery here called Maska Bakery.
Yeah.
Maska, you know, Maska is in fucking Mahim.
Yeah.
I live in fucking Warsaw. Okay?
That's far.
Do you know how much my shipping cost is?
Shipping.
Shipping. You need to go from Mahim to Warsaw, you need to ship it. Okay?
Jetty लेके
It is 450 rupees just delivery charge.
just delivery.
Just delivery charge. But like a dumb fuck, I am obsessed. So I will, and you can't order 3 products together
Yeah, of
because it will get ruined.
Yeah.
So I am obsessed with their babka bread. Okay, the fucking bread is amazing. ठीक है, and वो इतना loaf आता है, and every day they keep fucking putting some new thing on the menu. So every day I check and I'm like, oh shit, ये भी खाना है, ये भी खाना है. 500-400 रुपए की चीज होती है, 700 रुपए डिलीवरी चार्ज होता है उसका. So if I just calculate this month's Maska Bakery delivery charges, it will be the salary Abish was paying you for. I swear to God, that is my noise. That is my noise.
I get it. And Noise also just randomly brings out new products every time.
New small batches.
Yeah,
small
They're like, now we have kombucha. I'm like, oh, I want to try this kombucha.
Dude, and matlab, that day I got this other jam because Noise Swiggy said it'll take half an hour, and I was like, I can't be this obsessed कि अब मैं और कोई jam ही नहीं लूँ, अब
हाँ.
ठीक है आधा घंटा लग
मैं
रहा है.
आधा घंटा वेट नहीं कर सकता तू जैम के लिए.
मतलब करना चाहिए, but I went to Blinkit.
What has happened to this generation?
How many drugs had you had before this? What was
Nothing.
driving
I was
your?
just- And by the way, my peanut butter jam, American,
Yeah.
whatever. I don't know why I'm obsessed with that now, but ये सुबह 4 बजे खाता हूँ मैं. So just saying.
All your life choices seem like a midnight life choice.
Yeah.
Most of them are.
Before this, I was having muesli at 4 a.m.
So I am obsessed with trail mix right now.
कब गए हो ट्रेल में तुम? कौन सा बैंड्रा पे कहाँ where have you walked to have this
Is
energy
that
boost?
the meaning of trail?
Trail mix is what you have on
Yeah,
trail
on a
because it's
trail
got
when you
nuts,
go
no, so you
hiking.
get an energy
Yeah.
boost.
Oh.
You know how I eat my trail mix?
अबे अंग्रेजों चखना बोलते हैं ट्रेल मिक्स. अबे कौन से देश में रह रहे हो यार? तो ये खार में आने का प्रॉब्लम ही होता है. तुम दोनों वर्सोवा में घर लो यार. क्या कर रहे
मैं
हो?
अभी तो बोला मैं peanut butter jelly sandwich.
Dude, I once
trail
ordered
mix.
sport mix जिसमें अलग-अलग टाइप के seeds और nuts रहते हैं रात को 12 बजे.
Sport mix.
हाँ, और
Which
मैं
sport are you playing?
I was watching esports while eating sport mix. Not even real sports.
I feel like you both need parents. Sorry.
You're also a little bit of a hype beast, so you spend a lot of money on clothes and stuff.
Is
Clothes I only buy for shows. Otherwise, I don't give a fuck.
Oh.
Like I've worn this 3-4 times, but I'm not one of those.
No, but like I remember the first time I came to your house, it was very funny actually. I entered his house.
You've come to
and
my house?
I've come to your house. I took the lockdown.
Oh,
You
lockdown.
didn't
How
know.
about the linking?
Yeah, the Linking Road.
Linking Road one.
I entered.
Truly must have been memorable.
No, it was very back in the day.
I think Kamba thought you were the Muska guy. Coming to
I hadn't discovered Muska yet. Fuck, this is going to look like an ad for noise. And Muska.
I know. So when I was thinking about talking about noise today, I was like, this just seems like an ad. I'm like,
It's okay,
noise
man.
ko bina main khata hi nahi wala ye kya bhai? It's not an ad. Just saying.
Editor, if you're watching this, can you count how many times he said noise in
noise
total?
counter.
We'll put a noise counter there just so that they can then sponsor the next video.
Yeah,
that's
where you
true.
can eat it.
But noise has this. Noise has the bread.
Again, noise. I got it.
I mean, you have to try to understand.
Yeah. Let's all call it the N word.
Yeah, the end word.
If rather than saying it. Oh no. एक और reel बन गया था. एक और reel बन गया. Very good.
मैं एक रील बनाने वाला हूँ. You're just gonna say ये रील बन गया ये.
So we're gonna send this bit to Noise. I mean, like we won't put this out until you give us money. But then we won't have a lot of the show.
Honestly,
also.
I don't know how to.
I don't जिस तरह के तुम्हारे आसार हैं तो मैं पैसे की जरूरत नहीं है वो एक ब्रेड पे सेट कर देंगे वो कह रहे हैं तो बहन से दोनों जंकी हैं एक एक पकड़ाओ इसको हमारे मीडियम बैच वाले दो दे दो इनकी निकल जाएगी
एक को जैम पकड़ाओ एक को ब्रेड पकड़ाओ दोनों खुश.
Honestly, I don't know how to do these brand things. Look, because recently I saw this ad, okay? And I'll tell you, it's a quitting smoking. I mean, quit smoking. I don't know what they sell, but something they sell that'll help you quit smoking. They just used a stand-up video of mine where I'm talking about trying to quit smoking, and just they're promoting it.
Yeah, it's
And I don't know what to do. I'm just people are sending me like, great, you're helping. Like, dude, I don't even know what the fuck. And
This has become an epidemic in branding though.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
hate this कि कॉमेडियन को खड़ा कर दो और एंड में कोई प्रोडक्ट फेंक रहा है.
Yeah.
मैंने पिछले हफ्ते में 5 ऐसे देखे हैं कि एक किसी ने चड्डी फेंक दिया आरजे विदित को किसी ब्रांड ने चड्डी फेंक दिया. हाँ, everyone is doing this.
it's not part like
No,
they
no,
the
but
stand
No,
up.
this is an ad. No, they're going to a comedy club. They're planting a person in the audience. Then they're doing really shitty material which you know कि उन्होंने effort नहीं लगाया. It's clearly for an ad. और उसके बाद एक ad वाला बंदा ऐसे फेंकता है सामान और वो ad में add कर रहा है.
this is not that. This is just a stand-up clip I had
This-
put
they
out.
just use
Yeah,
ads on
I start by saying कि I'm trying to quit smoking. So what I'm doing is
And then
वहाँ
cut right
दिया
there,
and
वहाँ
they're
पे
like,
उसका शहर आ
what
जाता
he's
है.
doing is using this product. I'm like, no, I'm not. What the fuck are you talking about, dude?
Do you have a lawyer?
I don't know.
Please get in touch. This is the only money you'll make this year. Please call me. I'm getting 10% of this shit. I can't wait to
I was so
get in on
surprised.
this.
I saw that. I was like, what a good edit, dude. It looks like I used
It looked so convincing because I know all the brandies and all he's working on because I saw that first and I got it like, dude, are you getting money for this? Because this
तेरी
is.
तो फट गई होगी.
हाँ, मैंने कहा, कैसे खाएंगे अब अपन?
You know, it'll be way worse if you still didn't quit smoking.
He did it. He did it.
Clearly, it's not working.
I'm gonna sue them, get that money, and spend
Buy
on
more cigarettes. That's an ultimate form of disrespect.
Okay, now we'll move on to products.
Yeah, we want to see what
If you want to see a product, I saw.
Oh,
Okay, I got
What's in your pocket?
We were supposed to. So this is why I was unprepared because Govind messaged saying, "Hey, what are you spending on a lot nowadays? Can you get some samples?" Okay, so I'll tell you. This is my wife's jewelry bag. Don't relax.
yeah.
I'm not buying.
Whoa, I was just like nice and classy colors, bro. Pastel.
Yeah, exactly. It doesn't even have a fucking proper zipper.
You want me to hold the mic?
नहीं कोई
Deal.
tension नहीं है. So anyway,
Oh.
so this is not my, it's my wife's fault. Okay,
But these are yours.
these are mine. So it's my wife's fault. About 2.5, 3 years ago, one day she was like, "Oh, my perfume's over. Let's just go buy." So I was like, "Okay, cool." So then she just took me to, I don't know, like a Shoppers Stop or whatever. Notice how I only mentioned the brand once. Okay? So we just went to a mall which had this department store which sold a lot of fragrances. Notice how I didn't say the name again.
Hey, do you mean Shoppers Stop?
I know what you're talking about. Nice. So then she was like, "Hey, I want to get this," and then because I went on this, I have this very bad problem where if I get introduced to something new,
Yeah.
I go really deep in the rabbit hole of really nerding out about that shit.
Yes.
So like 5-6 years ago, I was really nerding out on sneakers back in the day because it was like a childhood habit that I used to have, and then I started making enough money to buy it. Then I suddenly realized, what is this void I'm trying to fill with sneakers? There is
You
clearly
filled a
some-
wall. I remember you had a sneaker wall when I came to your house.
Yeah, it's a problem. I need to fucking. There's no space. You know how much friction it caused in the house? My wife was like, I see one more fucking box enter this goddamn house. So then,
Unless it's Maska Bakery.
dude, don't even. It was, it became like a game between my wife and I, where suddenly I'd be like, one day, I remember I'd ordered this pair of shoes without telling her. Okay, so now the box has shown up, but if she sees the box, she's gonna fucking flip. Okay, so I'm just hiding the box.
How are you hiding a full box?
अरे सोफे के नीचे छुपा
Okay,
दिया
okay.
मेरे को पता है उसने नीचे नहीं झुकना ठीक है मैंने ऐसे छुपा के रखा है सडनली कोई डोर बजी एक नायका का डब्बा आया तो because she had ordered something without telling me, her box had come in. Suddenly, I could be like, "Oh, by the way, one of my boxes had also come. We are even no problem, right? Because we were both in that one box.
ये नायका वाले ने दे दिया साथ में पता नहीं है
Correct. पता नहीं कैसे आया. It was a big issue. So I had to, when we were shifting houses, it's a problem. Guys, if anybody wants to buy sneakers, please get in touch. Size UK 11. I had to fucking send.
I am UK 11.
Yeah, mine's also
UK 11.
बेटा तू ब्रेड के लिए कमा
That's true. That's fair.
मुझे एक जूते दे दो दोनों पैर आ जाएंगे स्केटबोर्ड के तरह
So I had to ship a lot of them back to Delhi because I was like यहाँ तो जगह नहीं है and it genuinely became a problem. फिर साली बारिश होती रहती है फिर जूतों में फंगस लग रही है I got very irritated. So then I was like, how do I get it? So I was very nerdy about that, which I still am, but I've reduced it for my own sanity and for my own money. Then because my wife, she sort of got addicted me to getting nerding out about
Fragrances.
So now it's not like I give a shit about like smelling a certain way. It's fine. I'm 39. I fart a lot. It's okay. Sorry, you didn't need to know that. The bigger issue is that since that day, I've gotten really obsessed with what goes behind making it. So I have this really bad habit of the more I read, the more I want to try and correlate what I'm reading to what that smells like.
What do you mean?
So I'll give an example.
Yeah.
So, for example, there's an ingredient recently which I learned about called Akigala wood. That's an ingredient which they put in a lot of brand new fragrances. It's
Okay.
like the new thing. So I'm like, okay, what does this smell like?
like.
So my brain will go into all the new fragrances that have Akigala wood and get a sample of each of them so that when I compare all 4 of them, I know what it smells like.
Are you
Does
saying-
does this have any utility in life? Absolutely fuck no. It is the most useless bullshit in the world. But because my brain can't if I get into something,
Yeah.
then I feel like I really need to get into something. Otherwise, please feel free to try whatever.
I think that was your ChatGPT prompt. That's what I sounded like.
No. So
Getting all the-
it's a new ingredient. So essentially, then I start getting obsessed with just compounds. I don't know which one you're trying.
Are they all not the same?
Nope.
Loewe.
So Loewe, this is I think Cobalt 7. I hate this. Please.
Solel de Jeddah.
I don't know what that means.
Solel de Jeddah.
Yeah, this is also pretty shit. This is more this.
I liked it.
No, enjoy, please.
Okay.
Keep. So this one. Again, this is such a bougie conversation. I feel so shitty. I feel so shitty and out of touch.
I
while
feel
having
like
this conversation.
if
that's
you
okay.
can keep talking, I just want to do this.
This feels like 4 people need to. Yeah, nice. Keep doing. Nice, very nice. So now yeah, very nice. Which one did you use? This is nice actually.
It looks like-
Anon is pretty nice. You guys should
It
try
looks-
this one.
Which is your favorite?
Which one out of these? Wait,
Yeah.
let me.
It looks like your vape cartridges.
Yes, from back in the day.
So I'll tell you which one of these I really like. I really like this. This one, this brand is called the Harmonist. It's a very scammy brand. Okay, it's an American brand. They basically, it's just full marketing. Ki we do yin and yang in our fragrance of brand bullshit.
What is that word?
It's just marketing. It's just marketing. But this one is really nice. It is smoke. It's smoke, vanilla, and clove.
Is this yin or
Which is
yang?
Pata nahi. It's a black bottle, so I have a full bottle of this. But this was the first sample I got. You guys can.
How do
try.
you just get the sample? You can just
There
order
are a lot.
samples?
There are a lot of websites in India, which we can put in the link.
Yeah, yeah,
Where
sure.
if you guys want to try, again, tread carefully. Because this could be at least a week's worth of muska. Okay. Right? Do you understand?
Wait, just the samples?
Yeah, because a sample usually is like $500.
Oh.
550.
Oh, you bought these?
Oh,
I thought you went to
yeah.
Shopper Stop and they gave it to you.
Yeah.
अरे बेंचो में चोरियां नहीं कर रहा हूँ, हमें खरीदना पड़ता है. You need to be okay. I am interested in learning about this, so I will buy.
But
This
I
one
think
is very
diabetes का medicine भी रह गया injection.
nice. This one is really nice. It's called
I thought
The
the point
Harmonist.
of a sample was that it's a sample.
Yeah, you sample it out.
The idea of the sample is that
It's a
if
sample
you-
box.
Yeah, if you no, you just get one.
Oh.
If you like it, then if you want to buy a bottle, you buy a bottle.
Arey, but then
So all of those samples, you don't. So instead of spending like 20 grand on a bottle, which
Yeah.
you should not,
Yeah.
you buy a sample. You see, because see, this is about usually 2 milliliters or 2.5 ml, which means you can wear it at least 4 times properly, right? If you honestly in our fucking weather.
You have
it
to.
disappears
Yeah,
in
you
15 minutes.
Yeah.
Everything disappears in 15 minutes. सब झूठ बोल रहे हैं. 8 घंटे वो सब झूठ बोल रहे हैं. चूतिया बना रहे हैं. So the idea is before buying a bottle, you should at least try what you feel like. And for me, it's now become 2 things. One, it becomes like a nerd thing.
Yeah.
Where I really want to learn about this shit. Like for example, this is my favorite house, Frederick Mall. It's really interesting.
Have you tried customizing a scent yet?
No.
Like you know, reel आते रहते हैं मेरे को कि मैं किसी का भी बना सकता हूँ. हाँ.
Hey, Oreo, sent.
गीली
I
मिट्टी.
used to buy it home.
कुछ भी नहीं. वो सब scam. So actually नहीं, मैं बोल नहीं सकता. वो सुना कर दें.
नहीं वो
Not a
कुछ भी नहीं
fan.
कर देता 2 मिनट में कर लेता है वो.
Very good for him. Very good. Enjoy.
I was going to mention him but then
So no. So my thing is, one is the nerdy part of it, which I really enjoy. And it's for the life of me. If you ever ask my wife, it is
Yeah.
now her. She's turned around and said, "Bhai, tu jute kharid le. Fuck off with this sample." Because usually, you know what happens? I'm obsessed, right? So if she'll be working, she'll be in the middle of a fucking Zoom call, right? And I've gotten a sample.
Yeah, and you're excited.
And I'm very excited.
Yeah.
I'm just like, oh man, this is a good sample. I want to make her I want her to experience it, right? And so usually she'll be in the middle of a Zoom call.
she has to experience it right now.
Yeah, and I'd just be like, sniff this. And she's like, I'm in the middle of a fucking call. What is wrong with you? I don't want to fucking sniff your hand.
please sniff it. It's Iowi. Loiwi. It's Loiwi.
Can you pronounce these? Like, are there
This
any?
is nice. This is baby cat. It's pretty good.
Baby cat?
Yeah,
Baby
it's a
cat,
Vice
meow,
and
meow.
Baby cat's nice. Goes well with if you're wearing like a formal tuxedo.
All of them should have like a voice that hello.
They do.
Right?
They do. They all do that.
They all have a. This
How
is
about the
And-
Harmonist?
The Harmonist is very, like I said, scammy brand, but that fragrance is pretty good. I have a bottle. So that is one
The
of
hypnotizing fire one?
Yeah, that is one of the successful conversions where I like to sample in.
And you bought a bottle.
How much is a bottle for?
14 and a half
What?
thousand.
What the fuck? Oh.
What do you think?
this.
I don't know. I just did.
अबे bottle में 50 ml होता
हाँ,
है.
वही,
Bottle
of
तो
course.
bottle is a bottle.
Yeah.
But still 14,000.
Yeah.
Oh, that's. Why don't you buy more of these?
Exactly.
That's true. I don't know.
Okay. So my point is that the process of going from sample to a bottle is a very extensive process because it's a big decision for me. Again, I'm sounding such a fucking.
No, you're not. I mean, yeah, you are. But
Yeah, I want to support you on this.
But since this is that kind of a podcast,
Yeah.
this podcast we can be out of touch.
That's the whole point.
With reality. So this is a slightly newer obsession, and again, like I said, my wife regrets taking me along with her to the store. Now it's become her nightmare.
Was she ever was she ever as obsessed as you are now with fragrances?
no. And-
She just wanted a new bottle. She had run out of the one.
Yeah, she only has one bottle which she wears. She wears Burberry Goddess. No, sorry, my Burberry she wears, and she's obsessed with that. She's had that one bottle since as long as I've known her. right? That's like her fragrance, whatever people call it.
And these are your fragrances.
This is my
You smell
dukaan.
of
This is a
everything.
buffet of fragrances.
Yeah, she's irritated now because this happens, because sometimes I'm just like I said, a sample has come in,
Yeah.
it's like 1 in the morning, and like I'm in the loo, and she'll be like, you fucking get a sample. Because she knows I'm like trying it on, and she knows that I want to sleep, and this fucker's gonna come and be like, hey, sniff this before going to sleep.
I have only one complaint. Where was this obsession when we were staying here? You would have made the kiss so much better.
Look, knowing me, I feel like in a year, I would have learned everything I feel like I want to learn
Yeah.
about this, and I would have moved on to something else. And me being me, I'll be calling you guys saying, भाई लोग किसी को चाहिए क्या? 50 ml का bottle पड़ा है घर पे ऐसे. तो
I'm
हाँ.
waiting for that call so bad.
Yeah. So
Is this all of it, or do you have more samples?
no, I have a lot of samples
How many do you think you have?
Yeah.
at home.
Yeah.
Yeah, two in total.
Like, how many bags of this can be filled?
Yeah, like if you have to move again, will you have to send them back to Delhi?
That'll be insane.
You have to think.
That'll be insane if he has
No.
to send this back to Delhi. A
This, how many
sample.
will these be? These will be
1, 2, 3,
10,
4,
15?
5,
Yeah.
6, 7,
15, 20.
10,
I think I have about
13, 14,
I think
15.
these chotu bottles, sample bottles, I have about 50, 60. And I think actual bottles I have about 30. So I don't need fragrance for the rest of
Are
my
you a
life.
retail store at home?
I can be.
Yeah, that's 30 bottles of perfume.
Yeah.
That's amazing. That's great.
It's a waste of money.
But you smell so great wasting that money.
Just a question. What is the maximum number someone has had a cologne? How many colognes or perfumes?
Oh yeah, does
maximum?
someone have?
Just so that for me to
anything
know.
around
I have
two?
always one. So
I have like 2, 3, but that's it.
Okay.
I have two.
I have
Yeah.
that one.
Does someone have a number close to?
Close to this? Four.
Oh, wait. There's yeah.
Yeah, 23.
Oh,
23.
That guy knows the
I have a lot
wastage
of
of that guy's.
samples like him.
What?
You also collect samples?
I'm telling you guys, it's
it's a whole community.
it's a community of people.
It's a
who don't know
perfumophile. They like small bottles.
Wait,
It's
how
a
many?
community of people who are wasteful and out of touch with reality.
But want to smell great doing that.
How many samples do you have?
I think I have as much as him.
What are you talking about,
100%.
dude?
I'm
Why
telling
would
you, it's a
spend a lot of money on one bottle. Just get a lot of them. You can smell it.
yeah.
You can smell. Yeah, that's a good
Yeah,
statement.
that's
You
true.
can smell.
You can.
Okay, again, since this
Yeah,
is a bougie
yeah.
podcast and we're talking about it, right? If I will say this, since I've gotten into it, it is it's weird, but now I've started associating, like now it started affecting my confidence.
What do you mean?
I'll give an example. Again, it makes no logical sense. It makes absolutely no sense. I'm going to sound like a dick while saying it. So, say for example, I have like a narration to go to,
Yeah.
right? And I have to meet a producer,
Yeah.
and I know I have a film script. Like this true story. This happened very recently, about 2 weeks ago. So there are certain ones that I like to like. Okay, one thing is it's never for. If you go to any fragrance communities, you must go and check out on Reddit.
Where on Reddit?
On Reddit, they are very funny because it is basically just 15-year-old guys going, how to get laid? How to get laid? I have worn perfume of 2,000 rupees. No sex has happened. No one is giving attention because bhenchu personality में तो काम किया नहीं है ना किसी ने.
I have axe. Nobody's following me. Nobody's coming behind me.
I am smelling like Kunafa, but no one is coming and licking me. Right? So it is just kids. Okay? It is.
And then you, a 40-year-old professional.
Yeah. So I'm not saying it's my only thing is that a lot of people, again, not to judge, little bit I did.
Yeah.
Not to judge. I judge myself also. So it's not like it's a one-way thing. A lot of people end up buying it because they want to impress other people.
Correct.
Which I think is a very dumb thing
Yeah.
to do. Like even when I had my very bad sneaker obsession, it was not for other people are going to look at my sneakers and go, oh my God. Right? Like he's making a statement. It's more how it makes you feel.
Correct.
So for example, the shitty narration example I was giving you, that day there is this one that I like to wear for myself on days when I feel like, okay, I'm going to go into a room and it's going to be a little intimidating people. I want to feel good about myself. And that day I fucking forgot. And
To
I
put it
had-
on?
Yeah. No, I forgot it at home.
Oh.
So in the middle, I was just, I legit had that moment of, okay, it's okay. You've done narrations before. So what if you don't smell like this? Fucking go inside, just nail it, right? I was having my inner monologue. So what is just fucking fragrance? Who gives a shit? So I realized I have gone so deep into this really stupid rabbit hole, which you should not go down. But if you do decide to go down the rabbit hole,
Yeah.
we are most welcome to the community. Start with samples first. Do not waste money on full bottles.
Honestly,
Point.
if I had 70 fragrances and I didn't put any on
Yeah.
after
That's a
going
bigger
to,
concern.
I get it. I mean, I'll be like, fuck, I can't smell of nothing, dude. I need to smell of something.
I read this really interesting study, again, part of my nerdy research, that now, then this is across the board. It's not just like, because people are so used to wearing fragrance and because they're so used to fragrance marketing is such a thing and
Yeah.
everyone is what Abish was doing and whatever. Yeah, right? Everything is this.
Unknown.
That our natural body smell, the musk that we have in our body in terms of our pheromones, like how we could detect and you're attracted to people because of the pheromones that are
Correct,
coming off. et cetera, et
correct,
cetera.
yeah.
Now people are so used to wearing fragrances that they've masked their own actual
Oh, so you don't know
musk.
what they really smell like.
With unknown.
which has now over a period of time apparently this can affect evolution.
What?
Yeah, because what does that lead to, right? Natural pheromones lead to procreation, lead to
Correct.
When you bought
copulation,
these,
lead to babies.
when you got these products, I didn't think evolution
Would be a part of it.
like, so these are my products. Humankind is done after this.
Now imagine, okay, hypothetical situation. There are 50 people in this room. If everyone was smelling of roses, how would you pick from one over the other?
Face. Face.
That's true.
But
Personality.
Personality.
it is not just it is not just face, right?
Yeah.
It is
No, but
you think it is face, but subconsciously it is face plus fragrance plus
Correct.
personality
But if
plus
everyone
plus
smells the same,
Yeah.
then you completely eliminate that
Yeah,
factor
exactly.
out. And then you go to the next step.
इतना मैं मैथ्स में अच्छा नहीं हूँ हो भी सकता है but the broader theory is that it's a good question. I thought when I read that article, I asked myself, I said, what do I smell like? I asked myself this.
And what was
And I asked my wife this. She's like, I don't fucking know farts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Common factor.
Yeah.
I think that.
I think I know my body odor without cologne. It's dahi.
Dahi.
Like good dahi, high quality dahi.
If it was
Sorry.
called Parfumo, which is very nice. Where you can basically create your own. So because I have too many samples, I
Yeah.
can't keep track of.
Where you have an Excel sheet.
Yeah. So on the app, you can mark.
There's an app.
Yeah. So then on the app, it tells you, okay, you have like 4 vanilla and 5 barbershop.
I'm sorry, what the fuck are you even talking
There's an
about?
app which
Have you lost your mind, Samba? You're making no sense.
What are you talking
Look
about?
at you fuckers have no idea about the.
Hello, excuse me. The only other half kamba over there.
I will show you. I will show you live. Okay. One
Do you have this weird app which has?
What? Exactly.
Part
Exactly.
of the same community.
Exactly.
Have you guys
Yes, community. I don't know who he is, but yes, man. Yes, exactly.
Can you smell him from here?
I've not applied anything today.
What do you mean that?
I didn't because I was shooting something for
The
like.
pheromones.
Yeah.
You can smell his pheromones.
Yes, pheromones.
So I can't tell because I'm
it
not
goes
being able to
deep.
log in because of bad internet. But like this is an app. Okay, if you want to put in.
Parfumo.
Yeah, right. And on the app, you can basically make a vault. Every time you buy one, you can put it on your vault so that you know. Okay, for example, right now.
This is like StockX, but for perfume.
Yes, for perfume. So, for example, right now I have a. If there are days, especially when it rains, when I want to smell like coffee. Okay?
Yeah. There are days like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
There are days when you want to smell like coffee.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. Then there's a fragrance called Coffee Addict, which I really like. Okay, so I have
Pretty
coffee,
straightforward.
right?
Yeah.
Exactly. It's called Coffee Addict.
You have a bottle or sample?
I have a bottle of
Okay.
Coffee Addict. Right. Very nice.
How much?
So,
Sorry, how much is that?
4,500 or 5,000.
Okay.
So
When is it 45?
I think.
I hope he finishes that and stop there.
With 100.
Yeah.
I feel like this has become a fucking inquisition
No,
about a dumb obsession.
No, this is fascinating.
This is exactly what
Yeah.
this podcast is about.
It's gone from fascinating now to an obsession to I'm concerned about it. But please continue. I'm learning.
So, for example, on this app, if you put in Coffee Addict, right, and now if I get some other fragrances which are also coffee forward,
Yeah.
right, it will tell you
Coffee forward.
coffee forward,
Yeah.
and you check
Yeah.
then I can look at my app and go, oh, I already have a coffee one. Do I
Yeah.
need another coffee one?
But what if
Probably
it's
no.
like you have an iced latte and they're giving you an iced Americano?
What are you talking about?
There are difference. There are of course. But at that moment, it's a choice. Do I want to go into it or do I not want
Okay,
to?
so
For
instead-
example, I have 8 vanilla ones, but they're all different types of vanilla.
There are different kinds of
Yeah, the
vanilla.
Madagascar vanilla is very different from the cheapy vanilla essence that you fucking that I put in my cakes when I'm baking. It's clearly not. The
I've
same.
lost my friend.
Okay.
A lot has changed and you stop living with it.
For example,
No, wait, come back.
At what age
Just
did you
one
mention?
Just one question
So don't
before
steal
you
my
move on.
samples.
I'm not going to steal. You're not cash and carry. No, I'm. I was saying, I am just stealing from cash and carry. I'm saying, but can't you just go and pick up? Be like, oh, I have one coffee. Why do you need an app?
Because there's so many he needs.
Because there are
something
a
to
lot,
keep track
right?
of.
Like, you only get access to the app after you have like 40.
anyone
you
can
just start
anyone can
talking.
access. It's a way. It's an inclusive community. Okay, where we are trying to not we like it's my fucking app.
You and him.
Yeah,
Where him and I are trying to get more people into the fold and try and educate them, saying, "Hey, man, don't buy this shit. This shit sucks.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
shit is too expensive. How about this instead?
Come to this side.
Right?
Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah, yeah.
Right. There are that there is there's a fragrance that smells exactly like this for 1/4
Of the cost.
If you just look in that direction,
Yeah.
so it is more for us.
Nice.
actually
You guys add
nice.
the alone in Cologne. The nerdiness, the depth.
The sad part. There is my favorite. If we are going into confession.
Yeah.
Abhish is here, son. So one of my favorite fragrances is there's this brand called Initio. Again, a very scammy brand. Not a very good.
But so all your favorite ones are all the scammy ones.
yeah, matlab basically it's too much marketing.
Okay,
It's one
okay.
of those. I'm just like relax now.
Yeah,
It's a
just
fucking
calm down,
fragrance.
yeah.
Just calm down. It's not going to change anyone's life.
Yeah.
And they're just like, oh, auntie bhat jayegi tumhari. Relax. It's a fragrance. Like I don't buy into the marketing
Yeah.
shit. So there's a fragrance they do called Atomic Rose, which I love. Okay, so it's citrus and rose forward. Again,
Rose forward.
it's rose forward.
The forward thing
So
is
forward is like
insane.
it's dominantly
It's
rose.
dominantly rose,
Okay.
and it has citrus and
Notes of citrus.
Notes of
Oh, it's
citrus
like
up
coffee.
top. This is because it's such a random, stupid obsession.
Yeah.
And so it's nice when your friends cut you down to size and तुम्हें औकात पे ले आते हैं. So one day I was just about to perform in Bangalore, ठीक है? And before the show, I usually like to wear Atomic Rose before going on stage.
Rose
Yeah,
forward.
the rose forward one.
Because it's rose forward.
So I'm spraying Atomic Rose, ठीक है? And this one of my friends in the green room.
Yeah.
अरे भैंचो दुबई का आदमी की तरह के कितना स्मेल आ रहा है. I'm like, sorry, it's my friend.
Citric rose, sorry.
मैं अपनी तरफ से कि ये मेरे को कॉन्फिडेंस देगा. This is Rose. ए दुबई का आदमी से किसका स्मेल आ रहा है रे? And I'm like, okay, not my audience. But this
Abhish,
Yes.
what is your amazing product?
is more.
It's a little bit more expensive. Sorry,
Yeah,
it's a
sorry.
little bit more high niche.
Yeah.
In the lockdown, I bought. I wanted a specific black pen, but couldn't find it. So I bought 99.
I like that the pens are rose forward.
With a hint of lavender.
So I bought this black pen, which I wanted,
Yeah.
but I put it on the cart, but I didn't see how many pieces will be there. So I got 99 of these black ones.
First question.
Yeah.
When you put it in the cart,
Yeah.
couldn't tell how many were gonna come, but you must have seen the price.
See, that's what my relationship with my money is that till the time it doesn't cross if it goes from 3 digit to 4 digits, suddenly I'm like, no.
Yeah.
If it's below, then I know,
Yeah, it's okay. It's just
Yeah, this pen
Yeah,
costs
just-
$1,000, of course.
So 99 of these. I had 99 of the blue ones and 99 of the red ones. Black ones over the last 3
someone
years.
fell down. That's how much.
Here, take it.
What the fuck?
I would never do that with my sample. I have respect for my products.
It's frowned upon in the community.
Yeah.
Wait, but you're just gonna.
So it took me 3 years to let go. I mean, not let go. To fucking get my entire drawer empty of black pens by giving people, and then the blue. These red ones have never gone. So today, because this is the only opportunity I'll get to let
Yes to the pod.
I had no idea you guys are doing a podcast. I was googling what is Splendor Blender, and like it's Fender Bender. I'm like, here, can you just get rid of all of these? This is what I spent
Who
on.
wants a red pen?
Just
Who wants
don't ask.
this pen?
Give it.
Red pen. Oh man, I'm not gonna throw pens.
Sir, one. You keep holding, ma'am. Two.
I'll hold it.
Any English teachers here? English teachers, ma'am, you want? Take. Who else wants? Anyone at the back, ma'am? Yes, you got it. Now, respectfully give. Sir, there you go. Who wants? Who wants?
You
Yes,
get
ma'am.
a
There you
red
go.
pen.
You get a red pen. That's right.
There at the back.
There at the back.
Hands are up, yep.
At the back.
This is insane to watch. What the fuck is this?
Here, I have two more red pens. One for you, ma'am, and last one for you.
Abhish,
Yeah, I thank you.
got rid of all that.
2020 से लगा हुआ है ये.
This has been 5 years in the making. This moment right here.
You got so excited, you nearly gave away samples by the way. You were so close to throwing a sample also.
I just feel bad that the haves already got more things. There are so many on the road that I could have told you. People you could have given these 99 pens to. This could have helped in their education. But no, you want to give it to people who
But
already
with
have
education, you can't just give a pen. You need to give
Yeah.
a book also, no?
Yeah. That's true. And I also want them to start with blue pen before they become good enough to have a red.
Get a red pen, yeah.
This is for the people who already correct people.
So this is a red pen that you gave everyone.
Yeah, it was rose forward, didn't you? Square rose forward. That's one.
Yeah.
The other thing recently been spending on is balloons and bubbles.
When I know you got married, are you also having a son?
having a baby?
kid?
No.
A tiara, a venue for baby shower.
I was doing these trial shows where I was trying to build a bit with just balloons, just in silence, trying to
Yeah, like one does.
yes.
as one does, as it is normal. And my wife saw me trying to and it wasn't going anywhere, and she felt bad for me in the first trial
Sorry, the
show.
bait or the bubbles?
Both. Both. So as a gift, she gifted me 2 of like these cool bubble making machines.
Oh, how
and
cute.
I have been slightly nerding out on the soap is to water that ratio and the dispersal of the bubbles. Okay?
Okay.
So I would like to present both of them to you.
Very nice.
And I'll
You
tell
get
you,
it. Is there a community I can join?
yeah, I think they call it infant. like, babies.
Also, not an online girl fan.
Okay, I'll get that.
Get it.
Please get the bubbles.
By the way, if you want to know the difference between how much Abhish prepared and Khamba prepared, Khamba got his stuff in his pocket. Okay?
What the
Abhish
fuck
brought
is
a
that?
suitcase.
That's true.
Is that a dildo that blows bubbles?
That'd be insane.
What the fuck
Is it full of lube?
No. So
I don't want to touch it.
It's not a dildo.
I don't know where it's
of
gone.
course.
my
Yeah,
wife
of
has
course
given
it's
it to
not.
me, but this has not been used in that context.
Yes.
Thank you.
These are 2 bubble making machines which I'm very obsessed with.
What do you mean obsessed? But like you play them with them at home?
Of course.
Koi
Not for the
batao-
bit, but just like casually?
Well, yeah. I mean, if you have this at home,
Yeah.
how can you not use it? Sometimes I've told my wife also that इसके अंदर अगर मैं फिनाइल डाल दूं तो पोछे के लिए अच्छी तरह
That's a great
That's
idea.
actually not.
Exactly.
They don't think so, but it's like.
Wait, hold on. Okay, just if so now this one is it's more common dispersion, like smaller bubbles,
दिखा जरा.
right? And this one is slightly more explosive. Okay, ready?
Explosive forward.
Yeah, explosive.
करे को करे करना करा.
Karna.
Ready?
Yeah.
Karo.
It'll come.
Oh, it powers up.
Oh, wait. There's a.
Oh, very cute small bubble.
कोई अमेरिका में 2 बच्चों को ये
इसमें अगर थोड़ा सा scent डाल दे.
Can I?
Yes.
Oh.
But what if you put a little bit of sample in this?
Oh, not a bad idea. Yes.
Okay, when do I? How do I stop?
Just click it one more time.
Oh, okay. Because I did not want this. I didn't know what to do.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay,
Right.
but can you change
So
the
you see-
size of the bubbles?
Yeah, you see the small
Yeah,
consistent
yeah,
bubbles
yeah.
is beautiful. But
Yeah.
now, this particular specimen is a little like But
It's like a rocket.
yeah, or a sex object.
Yeah, that
Can be used here and here.
Oh, oh.
Are you ready?
Oh, you weren't serious. Oh, okay. I thought it has to be bubbles nikalte. That's what I.
इधर से निकलता है. It looks like the face of a Demogorgon.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Right? Okay,
Okay,
ready?
we're ready.
Okay.
Oh my god!
Oh, it's an alien anal.
Oh, what's up? This is.
Oh, I see how the
How
sea
small is
size.
the previous
No, 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 no. Hold. See,
Oh, okay,
see,
I'll
see,
hold,
see.
I'll hold.
You see small? You see small? You see big? No, no, no. Now.
No, I don't know which one
Stop
is
it.
which.
Okay, now you see small. You see big. You see, I have spent a lot of time. Small. Big. See, big. Small.
Me,
Small. Big.
Abhish,
You see it.
Abhish,
You have no right to speak.
अभीश स्टैंड अप लिखने पे ध्यान दे बहन। ये क्या कर रहा है तू घर पे अकेले?
Abhish.
तेरे को अगर दोस्त चाहिए तो बता ना। क्या कर रहा है अकेले बबल
I have to say, you've undone everything. You kept talking about investments. You said I'm 38.
साले जुहू बीच पे दुकान है क्या तेरी? क्या बहन चो मशाल लेके खड़ा हुआ है वहां पे? इमेजिन करो कल ओलंपिक टॉर्च आएगा इंडिया में और अभीश मैथ्यू बस ऐसे खड़ा हुआ है। एक तो ये देख के गांड फट जाती है। ये कितने का था?
हाँ, ये था कितने का?
So now these are available. I think.
My noise?
Yes.
I have everything. on
Though
this.
they might just
Nahin.
change it tomorrow.
But how much is this one for?
These are just all of these are I think 700, 900, or maybe this one must be 1,200.
Which one?
This one, because she bought it.
Yeah.
She buys stuff which are 4 digits.
You buy
Like
stuff
hers
with
is
the
5 पे जाएगा तो
Yeah,
we'll
people
think.
with a job, I
मेरा
tell you.
3 पे आते हम like oh 4 पे आते हैं.
4 पे आते हैं.
So these are I'm sure in the 1,000, 2,000 वाला category. High quality, really good finish.
Yeah.
And if you
Dude,
if you
build of this strong.
strong. It's like the Apple of bubble making. This consistency, small. That consistency, big.
No.
What brand is it?
It's medium.
मेक इन
to
इंडिया
small.
है ये? मेक इन इंडिया?
Huh?
I don't know. Might be in China. I mean,
Oh, the second you said China, I saw made in China. Yeah, it's made in China.
ये भी made in China.
Chinese products I'm not as a patriot.
Oh,
Yeah.
Sorry. Where are these samples made?
From?
France.
Oh my God. As a patriot. As a patriot.
Guess who's helping us? Not China.
so this is the other thing which now I have.
So where are you on the bit now?
What bit?
The bit where you go small, big, small, big.
I feel like
I
I.
feel like that's the conversation you're having with your wife while having sex. Small, big. Sorry.
I like how it goes back to small after big, but
After you see these toys.
Oh. As you can see, the average value across on that side of the table and this side of the table shall tell you at 2 different financial positions we are at.
And mental.
That's true. The maturity he's showing at this age with having a life choice of being nerding out. I am nerding out on how much soap water
Yeah.
and what soap water. Did you know that dish soap is what mostly people use? But if you've used Ariel, and if you put that with warm water while you're mixing,
Warm water.
add a little sugar, which
Sugar,
I
what?
won't add in this because it sticks to people. But with sugar, it gives the biggest consistency. So if you have if you add the sugar, it stays, it becomes big, and it just floats. And if you touch it, it keeps bouncing because the sugar.
Where's it going?
Wait, hold on. You are fine with rose forward? You have a
man.
problem with my bubble density?
Look, man, divorce is tough on people. So I don't want to judge. Whatever gives you joy, bro.
Yeah.
True.
Whatever gives you joy.
You all went really different ways after you guys stopped living together.
This is what that scene from Diwar with Amitabh Bachchan. मेरे पास बबल मशीन है, तेरे पास क्या है? मेरे पास रोज
So you know
फॉरवर्ड.
what's one?
Then I invested on my birthday. I gifted myself some on my 30. I'm 38 now. I think a couple of years ago I gifted myself
36.
around. Yeah, 36.
No, couple of years back.
Not 36 years back.
No.
You were 30.
सब edit हो जाएगा.
I gifted myself 1 lakh rupees, saying that you buy whatever instrument that you want
Oh, I thought you
over
said
the
lot of
next
bubbles.
3 years.
No, wait. Say that clearly for the crowd. because I interrupted you, unfortunately. Sorry.
No, that's okay.
You gifted yourself 1 lakh rupees?
I gifted myself 1 lakh rupees, and I was like, you got 3 years to whatever instrument that you want to buy. So I bought myself something called a vocal looper, which is this very cool stuff. There's a full community.
Yes.
Nice.
Everything has a fucking community.
That deserves a community.
Looper community. There's a looper.
If Spender Bender has a community, I feel
How much was this looper for?
this looper is, I think, 55 or 60K or something.
What did he do
With the
rest 45?
remaining, yeah.
So I still have some
Okay,
20,
can I have it?
25. No, iske cable wable bhi khareedne.
No,
So that I gifted myself that, and I bought it, and
Yeah.
just so proudly I connected everything, and then I didn't use it for a month, as one does. And then I was like, I'm going to take it on stage. So I had to force myself to do it again and again. And now I'm just like, when I'm got my headphones on, I'll put something. It's so stupid that I enjoy doing it. Yeah, I've connected it.
can you play?
I've connected it to.
Hey, let's go. Let's listen to Abhishek's birthday.
Yes, yes. Please play this. I'm ready with the bubbles.
Oh shit, that's true.
This is what I bought myself, and it is very fun.
Nice.
Hello.
Hey.
Can you guys hear me?
Uh-huh.
All right.
I don't know why I said it that way. I'm sorry. I don't know why the fuck I said it.
You sound quite sexy.
Oh shit, nice.
My name is Goldman.
This is what Abhishek uses when he plays with the bubbles, by the way.
I can see Abhish entertaining himself with this all day. Music नहीं आ रहा है. सिर्फ तू ही नाच रहा है. हम म्यूजिक नहीं आ रहा है.
Oh, he's looping it.
Nice.
Like this. You can hear this.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
क्या है बोलना सुन रहा हूँ क्या है बोलना सुन रहा हूँ क्या है बोलना सुन रहा हूँ बोलना सुन रहा हूँ बोलना सुन रहा हूँ
I have no idea what is going on.
Abhish मुझे सपने आएंगे. मशीन की गांड फट गई है. मशीन जल्दी बंद हो गई है. साबुन ही साबुन पड़ा है.
Oh my god, wow. Thank you. Thank you, Abhish. That is
Let's be very clear. I had no idea of what you were saying.
what you were doing, no idea what was going on. In my head, it's sounding banging. In my head, I'm like, oh my god, people will be having a great time.
ये बबल बनाया जा रहा है छोटे छोटे. अच्छा घूमने जा रहा है. हाँ, okay. Sorry,
Yeah.
that was great, man.
Dude,
That was the
nice.
first
That's a
time.
great birthday gift.
What is this birthday thing?
He bought it to himself.
Oh,
for
for
his
his. Oh, okay.
birthday.
Sorry. Yeah. वैसे. हाँ,
तो
okay.
कितने घंटे खेलता है दिन में इसमें?
I mean, I'd say I'd probably be like a very unhealthy amount of time. And half the time I know is that I'm calling her out of her work call. I'm saying, come here. So like, what is it? Listen to this. And she's just me going,
देखिए तूने बहुत सही टाइम पे खरीदा है. अमिताभ बच्चन की कॉलर ट्यून अभी बंद हुई है. अभी मौका है. ए बोलना क्या है? ए
Oh man.
Nice.
That was very good.
That was
This
incredible.
very proud of buying.
Well done. Well
Yeah.
done.
So happy.
For Abhish, everyone.
Let's go.
Performance.
Oh yes.
This was a full performance.
as you know.
How many instruments do you know apart from this?
No, so I don't know guitar or piano as well, or very little. This one is so fun because whatever sound is in my head is getting imprinted, so I can add more things to it.
More layers.
So it's nice.
And it's great you can't hear anything on the outside, so you are just doing your own thing, dude. You look
Yeah.
so happy there.
I look happy, but
Yeah.
you know, I don't know if it is stage ready. It's bedroom ready.
What do you mean bedroom?
Sorry, it works. I mean, it's bedroom ready. Yeah.
To be like, hey, bolna.
In a bedroom, you have to be on a loop anyway. And the BPM needs to be the same. Some people think you need to increase the BPM. It's not about increasing the BPM. It's about sticking to the same BPM and delivering with
Yeah.
more intense.
And not listening to the other person.
Yeah.
Just shutting your ears.
That's why it's hello. Bolna. Hello.
Oh man, that was
Very
incredible.
Haryanvi sexy.
Okay,
I really enjoyed this.
This is very.
this was very fun.
Bought it. So happy.
Guys, can we rate the products, Abhish's products?
Oh, rate.
Let's rate the product.
Yeah,
I
why
think-
not rate a
I think Lotus
Compass
Dildo is
product?
number one.
Lotus Dildo is number one. This is
Notice
I
you
know, dude. I have my preferences. I like this.
this.
more.
I like this because it opens up, dude. That's
Yeah.
this is like a gun, dude.
भाई तेरे सामने एलियन आया और उसने ऐसे
It's a
करा
blank.
के हाथ
हाँ वही.
That is more scary for
Oh
sure.
my god, this will be so fun. I've never tried this, but have you ever looked at it like
It's not gonna fly.
3,
Just-
2, 1, go. We have takeoff, Captain. ISRO.
Dude, dildos are going out of hands these days.
38-year-old. Right here.
इतना साबुन गिर गया. Oh man.
That's true. When you put an age next to the purchase, today seems like an intervention.
Yeah.
But this is like the best. This is a
favorite?
I love this. This and I mean that though.
That though.
Pens, I think the audience like the pens more because they got something out of that.
You know what, guys? You get the looper. One person, one lucky audience member.
One button each audience member.
Would Khamba be comfortable with auctioning one of his fragrances?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
500 रुपए के पास.
Auctioning.
Auction क्या करना है? Sample.
Auction क्या खरीदने बोल रहा है क्या लोगों को?
What's the maximum we can get?
Put it like this.
You're gonna make people buy on top of the ticket price?
Listen. I know you want to help them financially,
How much
but
loan
this.
we are doing for this?
Man, shut up. We're not gonna sell his. We're gonna make money from his fragrance.
This one is. I like this. This is okay.
Your least favorite.
My least favorite, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
So let's.
I feel like I'm in Lajpat Nagar. I love it.
मैडम कौन सा सैंपल मांगते हैं? बताओ ना मैडम.
Madam, fresh है.
फ्रेश है. मैं बताता हूँ इसमें फकॉल कौन सा है. मैं बताता हूँ तुम्हें.
It's a nice. It's a good vape shop vibe also.
मैं सुट्टा मारता नहीं तो मुझे वेप वाले समझ नहीं आती. ये मैं.
Oh, I love this.
ये भी
It says lowly.
साले ये वही
मैं कब से तो low low बोल रहा हूँ यार.
हाँ ये बेकार
अच्छा है क्या?
ये बेकार है रखो.
Low अच्छा है. No, Abhish, low is good. Low is good.
This is the one that you had liked.
Yeah, this is the one I like.
Which is shit.
Soleil de
I
Cheta.
think it's all of this is very subjective.
Yeah.
Everything, all fragrance is subjective. What one person likes does not mean like my favorite ones. My wife hates. She's
Yeah.
like, "What is this? Fucking wipe it off."
As you said, it's an inclusive community.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. So
Would you-
those we can
Would you like to give
let's throw.
someone whatever one you would like to give?
Maybe because seriously.
I like how you're selling it.
Yeah. Who wants the terrible
हटिया वाला चाहिए क्या किसी
Yeah, blend wood. Anybody wants something rose and wood forward? they can try.
Rose and wood.
Rose and wood forward.
Wood, wood.
Oud.
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 Oh,
Oud I know. Oud I
This
know.
is nice. This is what is. This is Amouage is okay. If you
Oud
like
by
something
Bahman.
smoky. This is nice. This is more for girls, but I think I also really like it. It's, I really like the flowery shit. So this is really good.
So
This
would
is
you
hibiscus.
any one of them would you?
Yeah.
I'm sure they're all good.
Out of the three?
This one's.
This I'll just take, dude.
I mean, chup rahe, we're giving.
Take now. Which one are we giving to the audience?
Yeah,
Which one?
audience.
हाँ,
you-
इनमें से ना.
इनमें से मैं कौन सा ये दे दो. Pantheon is very nice. This is mango forward. It's really nice. I'm really
Mango
Anybody like mango?
Oh, dude.
Now,
Would you-
now you're getting me into
anyone-
this community, dude.
Yeah.
Is mango forward?
There are a couple. of
You
people-
decide.
Yeah.
Try
You
to
decide.
Make them try. What
Okay,
harm?
who wants
You
it?
decide.
Let's.
Who
He's
wants
very
it?
excited to try mango.
Try it, dude.
Try if you like it.
Yeah.
This
The
one's
bid
very
starts at 5 rupees, okay?
nice. Yeah, why not? if he likes it.
It's got oud.
अबे मैं ये नहीं करते मेरे तो
Then what do you do? Yeah, I would have done the same. I would.
भाई एक मिनट.
I did the same
Okay.
एक मिनट तंबाकू नहीं है.
Okay, how do you do it?
Okay.
How do you do it?
Just fucking spray
Okay.
and let it spray. Don't do any like
okay.
just
Fine.
spray it.
Throw and walk into it.
No.
Abhish, you sprayed it into your mouth.
In our AQI, you cannot do spray. It will merge with all the pollution. We are not.
How do you put this in the mouth?
अबे बाजू निकाल और स्प्रे कर.
Take बाजू निकला.
हाँ ठीक है.
Spray.
बस अब छोड़ दे उसे. बेंच नहीं. नहीं करना रिफ्लेक्स.
So wait, do you want to keep it?
तुम्हारे दिल में छुरियां चल.
Okay, now we're on to our last segment.
ओ एक और है.
Last.
Final.
Nice. क्या है?
Final.
Okay.
Here, this we asked you guys to.
बोरिया बिस्तर बांध दो अपना.
This looks like the tester sheet.
That's true.
What does the community say about the tester sheet? Those are fine?
No.
Oh, there's a lot.
Oh, more education for you. So, okay. Testers, so everyone's skin chemistry is.
I honestly didn't think there would be an answer to that.
Your skin is not the same as your skin, not the same as my skin, because our genetic makeup is different.
Yeah.
So, on tester sheets, it will never smell the same as it will smell on your skin. So, tester sheets is more just to say fuck you to that shopkeeper who does not want you to spray. It's like, ये देख bitch, मैं 3 spray कर दूँ इसके ऊपर, right? It's more
और
just
फिर coffee smell किया, coffee भी.
So never go by tester strip.
Yeah.
Tester strip के ऊपर करो. If you like it enough, then move on
Then,
to skin.
okay.
Okay. And it's a 2-layer
Yes.
thing.
And you shouldn't
Or
eat the
drop the
coffee.
tester
Drop the-
strip entirely and go
Maro
straight to
skid,
skin.
yeah.
हाँ, और go
Spray it
straight
on
to
someone else passing by. Smell it on their skin. Maybe. Maybe ये अच्छा लग रहा है कि नहीं?
Correct.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Now this is okay. We asked you guys to fill this sheet.
Just read the question.
I'm
Yeah.
reading it.
So-
Reading it.
Sorry, dude.
Yeah. The question was, what's a purchase you'll defend forever, but others find stupid? Or just mention anything funny that you own. Clothes that don't fit because I think they'll fit eventually. Why you? Who's this?
Who's this person?
This is very relatable.
Relatable.
But then why would you buy clothes that don't
Right?
fit?
Yeah, same.
If-
Inspiration.
Just
But
Good motivation, like
Yes.
lose weight.
Oh, okay. You know what? If I
opposite
knew
actually.
that,
I was thinking
I
they
wouldn't
buy
have.
oversized and then they fit into that.
Yeah, no. Now it makes sense.
Yeah, we didn't think the other side at all.
We are just stupid. Yeah, that makes sense.
Do you still have like I have this one T-shirt like I now wear medium size Uniqlo. I have
Uniqlo.
what the medium or the Uniqlo?
Medium.
But before this, I used to have Jockey large. So now I've gone to a medium, but I've still kept my Jockey large because I'm a glutton. So I have done the opposite of kept those loose T-shirts ready.
Yeah.
But these are the ones that I can fit in. There is a small category which I've never bought, and I feel like I want to get there. Where should I buy a small T-shirt and throw out all my loose T-shirt so that it's either naked.
Oh, wow! So you only do extremes.
Yeah, but she is on that path. I'm just
Yeah.
trying to see if that's recommended.
I think you just want to look at t-shirts and go big. What are these journeys you are on with your clothes, man? The fuck?
But okay, that does make sense. Good. There's this one also which says purchases light up shoes, which honestly is great.
Dude, I've always wanted
Yeah.
those.
Who has the light up shoes?
Got to be a dude.
Dude, that's so good.
Dude, no?
Yeah.
Who has?
Is this guy?
You bought them
Is it the
No, not really.
Oh man, that's
Shoe
the
guy.
perfect friend for you. But light up shoes, when did you buy it?
You had to buy them recently?
No, when I was a kid.
Okay.
Abbe yaar, wo to mere paas- I thought now. Do you get it for adults?
I have
What?
I have Nike PlayStation
Nike
On your shoes?
yeah no so there was a collab that happened between Nike and the NBA. There was with Sony PlayStation, so they had a PlayStation anniversary collab which sort of lights up, the logo lights up. So again, I fucking bought it and then I'm like, इसको खराब थोड़ी करूँगा मैं, खराब थोड़ी करूँगा मैं. हमारे डब्बे के अंदर बहन पड़े हुए 3 साल से. पर एक और मेरे को चीज पता चली अभी लाइट अप शूज के बारे. पहले हमारे टाइम पे सिर्फ लाइट अप शूज आते थे. आजकल मैंने यहाँ बैंड्रा में बच्चे देखे सालों लाइट अप शूज के अंदर सालों ने टायर भी लगा दिए.
वो पहले भी आते थे.
स्केटिंग का
वो पहले भी आते थे मेरे.
साले खुद भागो ना. मेरे को बड़ा इरिटेटिंग बच्चे के साले ऐसे गोल गोल घूम रहा है लाइटिंग
In the mall, I've seen them. ऐसे with the heel, they come and yeah, I've seen
There's a
them.
button, you press it, wheels come out.
Are you not?
I would love to have like a adult, not like a grown-up version of that shoe, where it actually becomes like a what do you call what is it called? Rollerblade.
Rollerblade, yeah.
Like it pops up. It should like a Tony Stark shoe type.
Nice. So
That out.
do you want bubbles also in it?
Yeah, that should be the thruster. That would be great. That is my next 25,000 rupees investment.
45 was left. Okay. We have
This one.
Light shoes are good, man.
light up. Yeah, that's very good.
This is a crossword puzzle book after they made New York Times paid? Oh, minimum paid.
No,
This is some smart.
Mini paid.
crossword.
Crossword mini paid. So they bought a puzzle book. Who's this?
What
Oh,
is
you
that?
bought. So why not just pay for the subscription?
Oh, yeah.
Youth of our nation. Youth of our nation.
That's all I wanted to know, actually.
But you want to have something tactile in your hand.
No.
Really take any bait at this point. I'm saving you.
Because she went from New York Times to a physical book. So it's not like she wanted something tangible. She just forgot that you could buy a subscription.
That was the shortest conversation we've had. Oh yeah, you gave up immediately.
That's all I wanted to know.
We'll do one
last one, final one, okay?
Yeah.
College made me pay for IV for 99 degrees Celsius fever, and I'm still sick.
What is that?
Are you still in college?
I4? Is it 4? Roman 4?
I
Or
think
is
it's
it
IV. Like liquid
Wait,
IV?
99.
College 4.
Wait, hold on.
Read the sentence.
College.
Courage made me.
Courage.
College made me pay for TV.
Not
IV.
IV.
IV for 996C fever. And I'm still sick. So hold on.
I read it right.
College made me pay for IV intravenous for 99.
That what IV is?
I never
99.6
checked.
degrees Celsius fever, and I'm still sick.
But you're still sick and here?
Who is this? Oh,
Ma'am,
it's you.
yes.
Are you sick? You're in the front row? Okay.
You wanted to know if I was sick. It's this.
It's not contagious. Someone gave it to me, and then
You know how someone gave it? You know how someone gave it to you?
You together? Of course, no one. Of course, two people couldn't figure out how to buy a fucking subscription. Oh my God.
But
But what is? I didn't thoroughly
I didn't
understand.
understand this whole sentence.
I was sick, and then my university made me like stay in the health center, and they were like, "We have to put you on IV." And I'm like, "I don't need it. I'm fine." But they were like, "No, we have to." And then we would pay for it.
How much did you have to pay for it?
I had to pay like 1,000.
That's like 2 tested bottles.
It is a lot for college.
Month is also
But not a lot for life.
fine. And also it was like month end. So
Yeah.
money was like not there.
But it's coming now next week. It's a month end.
That week I didn't have no.
Oh,
You know
fine.
what's
Makes sense.
insane?
Yeah.
Wait, we're talking about IV as
Yeah,
in
yeah.
what IV are we talking
What
about?
IV did you think? It's liquid IV. You think?
Intravenous.
Wait, what
I
do you
thought
think?
we were talking about industrial visit IV. I just realized for one whole minute I was like,
Saline.
what is she talking about?
Namak wala pani.
समझा अभी मुझे समझा I was like, oh, they made you pay for industrial visit.
And she was on fever.
She was sick.
And she got sick there.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you where you guys went for IV. Thank God we didn't reach there. Oh God. Okay, this was.
Okay, but you're not sick anymore, I hope.
No, you are a little. No, I think I give it to everyone. Give it
कोविड
to.
फैलता था.
ऐसे ही फैलता था.
ठीक हूँ. मुझे कुछ नहीं हुआ.
At least this room, if you get sick, at least you're getting good fragrance along with it.
Yes.
You know what?
All
It-
smell amazing.
That's
Yeah.
one way to check if you have COVID or not. If you suddenly can't smell the fragrance also.
No,
Yeah,
but
COVID jokes are in bad taste, but they can't tell, no.
And on that note, guys,
Yes.
on that beautiful note, that is the end of the show.
Thank you so much for coming
out.
out.
Give it up for Khamba.
For Khamba, give it up for
Ravish.
Thank you.
Give it up for Govind.
Yes, Osha.
Welcome.
Antariksha producer.
Khar Comedy Club.
Khar Comedy Club. Give it up for Khar Comedy Club.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Oh wow. Comedy blessing. Bubbles are comedy blessing.